Hello. We are standing outside the car, and we are going to check the, the spray layer thickness of our paint on our car. This is really important if you like to see that there is an accident in the past of an used car for example, or something else. And of course, you can have a look that there is the safety thing, because if there is a damaged part on it and it was be repaired, not so good maybe, this is not so good for the safety, of course. We are going to use a thickness guard for this. This is a small device which we are going to see metal plates, metal parts of our coating, metal parts of it. And we can check the thickness of the paint with such a device. We cannot make these areas, the front bumper, the side, because it is made of plastic. And of course, the rear bumper as well. The rear bumper is plastic on the most cars out there. And this is not possible with such a standard thickness guard. For this, you will need an ultrasonic checked device, but this is really expensive. So we stay at the DIY, and this is the DIY stuff. So we are going to have an overview of this. The standard thickness of a manufacturing paint is about, I think so, 80 microns to 150, roundabout, okay? If it is over 150, like 200, 300, or 1000, there is a damage repair done. So how we perform this? We switch on the device, and then we go to measurement. And you see here, this is micron. This is the M, and then other M, and one of the M have the longer M. So we know that is micron. And we are now typically see that this is the sensor on the bottom, which is flexible, and we can push it on position. The first thing is we look at an area what is not so often damaged and what is not so often getting repaint, like the rooftop. Let's get it in position, and you see 118 micron. Perform this on another side, 116 micron. And there we are, 120. Okay, that means the manufacturer, Mercedes-Benz in this case, had the coating thickness of 100 up to 150 micron, roundabout. So we can perform now on the hood. Here we are, 39, that's okay too. It's roundabout. 111, that's okay too. 108, okay, so this is standard measurement. Let's have a look over here, 104. And so you navigate through the entire body of your car, which comes to an information about 90, 110, 120, roundabout 90 and something else. So you can see here is everything proved and nice, okay? Why we have so much difference is because of the measurement accuracy. Such a device here has a tolerance of 2%, so 2 microns are in a tolerance as well. So you can see, you have to look that the balanced way across your car is proved. And then you have a car without a damage, repair the damage in the paint way at your side. Easy peasy, as you can see. Perform this before you buy such a used car, because such a device here only cost $50. And if you check the used bike and see there is a damage which is repaired, you can push down on the price, maybe $100. So you are in a good range for that. And of course, you know what's going on with your car paint. That's easy, as you can see, and this you should perform every day before you buy or purchase a car, because this is a good thing to show some customers here everything is fine on your coating. Judge that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Sen.